Hi, this is Caroline from WDBNK, and today we are going to make some sour cream. Really easy recipe. Soak the cashews in hot water for about an hour. Blend 260 grams of cashews with 250 milliliters of water. Mix with some probiotic yogurt ferment. Let it rest for 48 hours at room temperature. So here we are 48 hours later. It's gotten really creamy. It looks really good. What it needs now is a bit more sourness. So I take lemon and go with your taste. You can add a bit and taste if it's okay for you, or if you want more sourness. Instead of lemon, you can also use vinegar. For example, an apple cider vinegar. For me, a bit more. And then add a bit of salt. Yes, perfect. Now you can use it as the usual sour cream. For today, I'm having potatoes, so I will add a clove of garlic and a bit of fresh herbs to it. Ta-da. And a spring onion. It's good. It has the right sourness. Perfect. Really great.